I will teach what do you mean by DDL command, how we are going to implement this. So you know a data definition language. So what is data definition language is we are going to implement data DDL commands using data definition language. So we have various types of languages DDL, DML, TCL, DCL and all. So I will tell how to implement DDL commands. The very first command is create. So we are going to create the table in RDBMS. This is relational database what we are doing. We have different hierarchical of database, right? So this one is relational database. So create table, table name, student, then register number. So register number, if we are using var character data type, we give var character. Then specify what is the constraint, domain constraints we have. So we are having key constraint known as primary key. So try to create primary key for the register number, then yes name or student name. Again, here also you can give var character. So there are different types of data type. You know, right? What is the data type? The way in which we are storing the value in the attribute. So here create table, table name. These are all attributes or column name. You can specify any name. But here I gave var character. Other data type are integer, number. So successfully executed, table is get created. So for DDL command, it will be executed only by the database administrator. Why? Because database administrator have the privileges to design how the database is supposed to be. So for example, if you use DESC table name, it will tell about the schema for the database. So here we have created the one table, register number and yes name. Here register number is not null constraint. So the primary key is a unique key which uniquely identifies the record in the table. But here, although it is a unique constraint, we have a not null constraint for primary key. So this is first DDL command. The next DDL command you have drop, truncate, alter. So for example, I want to add one more column as a mobile number in the student table. Alter table, table name, add. I'll be giving mobile number as a column and number of 10. So if you use alter table, table name, the table it get altered. So once again you will be check using DESC command whether the schema got updated or not. If you check schema got updated with mobile number. And for example, I have created the register number with var character or s name with var character, right? If you want to change the data type, you can use modify also, modify command for changing the data type. So this is the second command, like altering the column. Then you know how to insert the value into the table. Insert into, this is DML command, insert. So I'll demonstrate like how to insert a row in a particular table. Insert into table name values. Then static method. Register number is, I'll be given like RA100 within single quotes. If it is a var character type, you have to give it input within single quotes. This is static one. And the values U100 or RA100. Then student name. So insert into table name values. I have added one more column, right, like mobile number. So mobile number you have to add. So that's why it's showing not enough value. Insert into to table name, then student name, then mobile number. Number no need to give in single quotes. So will be check another DDL command is select star from table name. So star is selecting all the column. Table name is student. So it's able to display one row. I have added one record or tuple. So we'll be able to view the particular record using the select command. And here further DML commands like create, alter, drop, truncate, then rename. So totally 5 commands: create, drop, truncate, alter, and rename. So here I'll be show how to rename a table. For example, rename existing table name student to new table name student 1. So successfully I have renamed. So there is no any table present in student. So all the schema, the data, we have renamed the table. So what is the difference between drop and truncate is, if you truncate the table, truncate table, table name. So we have changed the table, right? So student 1. If the table got truncated, the data present in the table. So if you give select star from student 1, no rows is get all the data is deleted. If you use truncated, if you check the schema, it will be remain same only, DSC student 1. But if you use drop table name, it will delete both the content of the table record as well as the schema. So if you again check the schema whether it is present or not, so it will not present because it will delete both the schema as well as the content of the table if you use drop. Another difference between drop and truncate is we can't able to roll back if you use if you truncated the table. So in DCL you will study save point rollback, right? So if you truncated the table, we can't able to roll back to the previous state save point. So these are all the DDL commands. Thank you.